Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode of Chemistry 101. Today we're diving into a topic that often trips up students, the difference between orbits and orbitals. So let's get started. First off, let's talk about orbits are this classic concept from the early days of atomic theory. Imagine the solar system. Just like planets revolve around the sun in fixed paths, electrons were once thought to revolve around the nucleus in fixed circular paths called orbits. This idea came from the Bohr model of the atom, where each orbit corresponds to a specific energy level. Simple, right? But there's a catch. This model is a bit too simplistic and doesn't quite capture the true nature of electrons. Now let's switch gears too. This is where things get a bit more intricate but also more accurate. In modern quantum chemistry, electrons don't travel in neat, fixed paths. Instead, they exist in regions of space called orbitals. An orbital is a probability distribution map showing where an electron is likely to be found. Think of it like a cloud around the nucleus. These clouds come in various shapes: spherical for s orbitals, dumbbell-shaped for p orbitals, and even more complex shapes for d and f orbitals. So, to recap, are like well-defined tracks around the nucleus, whereas are more like fuzzy clouds where electrons are likely to be found. Orbits equal sign fixed paths, orbitals equal sign probability clouds. You might be asking, why does this distinction matter? Well, understanding orbitals allows chemists to predict and explain chemical bonding, electron configurations, and the physical properties of elements. It's the cornerstone of modern chemistry. Let's take a quick example. In the case of a hydrogen atom, Bohr's model suggests a single orbit at a certain distance from the nucleus. But quantum mechanics tells us there's an s orbital where the electron is likely to be found. This s orbital isn't a fixed path, but a region where the electron's presence is most probable. Alright, that's a wrap for today. I hope this cleared up the difference between orbits and orbitals for you. Remember, orbits are outdated and orbitals are the modern, more accurate way to describe electron positions. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more Chemistry 101. Drop any questions you have in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.